Welcome to Tales Flick English. In today's video, you will learn at-home daily routine sentences. I wake up early. I wake up early. I get out of bed. I get out of bed. I open the curtains. I open the curtains. I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I wash my face. I take a shower. I take a shower. I dry my hair. I dry my hair. I comb my hair. I comb my hair. I get dressed. I get dressed. I put on my shoes. I put on my shoes. I make my bed. I make my bed. I prepare breakfast. I prepare breakfast. I eat my breakfast. I eat my breakfast. I drink my tea. I drink my tea. I clean the table. I clean the table. I wash the dishes. I wash the dishes. I fill my water bottle. I fill my water bottle. I tidy the room. I tidy the room. I sweep the floor. I sweep the floor. I organize my things. I organize my things. I do the laundry. I do the laundry. I fold the clothes. I fold the clothes. I take out the trash. I take out the trash. I water the plants. I water the plants. I feed my pet. I feed my pet. I sit on the couch. I sit on the couch. I watch TV. I watch TV. I read a book. I read a book. I listen to music. I listen to music. I relax for a while. I relax for a while. I check my phone. I check my phone. I enjoy a snack. I enjoy a snack. I rest quietly. I rest quietly. I prepare dinner. I prepare dinner. I eat my meal. I eat my meal. I clean the dishes again. I clean the dishes again. I brush my teeth at night. I brush my teeth at night. I change into comfortable clothes. I change into comfortable clothes. I turn off the lights. I turn off the lights. I lie down to sleep. I lie down to sleep. Practice these sentences daily, and you'll feel your English improving. Subscribe to Tails Flick English for more practical lessons.